Yawa nyina wache mu akwaba emfa emra bedwam dwumade so live on Adom TV. DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV dey give us here live and so hodom. And I said po waje bre na ori betwe ko fanche say Mpensenpensenmu edele kakra. It's also for a good reason. It's na amano abadesano. Bede de akwasi ensia. Abujafo atrase ye baba twe enkomo. Makata so pensempa etie ya 10 ye enim kasantwi enimu a eno ani bedwam on Adom TV. Ya fana sekese koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Kingdom Herbal Center. Na Kingdom for na kofa enu permit say Kingdom Garlic Bitters na fe Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ede aba edwaso. Eno ni eduro betimi aboa so cholesterol ano aye dempa hospital akato so cholesterol e rise here. Eduro betimi aboa jonkwa. Aye Kingdom Garlic Bitters, and that's a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Remember, so doing New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Remember, but me when more say, ya dear was system, and I can't be marked will come from show the CNA ban. We hear the bit me aboa, I'm more than so achi, and one a New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. About to be my crew, or a boyfriend to be mano. Na sabio and free was uncle. Or maybe a told Rubiano, or Quan Sabekabi at 24 frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153. Kingdom or say no challenger. Franco Trading Enterprise. Yakana kato sa phone papa FA and hodom. Franco Trading Enterprise. Open phone which is Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, TV to say TV size be up from 32 to 100 inches. Oko Franco Trading Enterprise or Sabeka be ato or tabletop fridges so sounds of Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. Air pop. A train cania soka krebi. Or CCTV so ha and a braba bumukra betchum. I'm young the pakra ye sa camera no emu. And my party ni fee and a Franco. So to the more porta and so unya 40% discount. Frame 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 0555 939 311. Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie and hodom. But for trans battery and come say no ehye nkomo we asem about Galamsey for moto e de see a year railway year one suita in the western region. Elevation better so. You be concerned regional minister so akodi ko. No regional minister na mpani for ko honom. Ekotu anamo ebi. Etencha this elevation be so no ahwe. Se na mpani for ko ye. Yeso maka o mahusem akọ ye ti achi nipa 12 ewom. Yesu se ne ekoso no onemu ebi. Honorable Collins Adabako Mensa a member of Parliament Malaysia where figure Kwabre North constituency. And as also that Agbeshi Luchu, a senior member of the NDC National Communications, also a board member of Ghana Water Limited. Honorable Kore. And I call you a ranking member. Deputy ranking member on Mines and Energy Committee. And it's a mines near separate from mines near lands. This is him. It's a deputy ranking member on the Energy Committee. Now almost so kwa probo our Greek kwatna ye ya we say Galamsey ha Greek so ti ye 21 no so no enye ye ka ye di IPPs ne ntimi ntwio ba Galamsey nti abi ye betimi akodu so no ona member of parliament say ye Yankopon Adom ye ho ye me dey say this is the first time I share Mr. Luchu on set but you'll be on radio thank you for the opportunity. And I think why your communication of course should make close to 40 years. It is true. Sometimes now ora go sinu chumo ye NDC balo paper home printing no na the paper bre wa kwanya wa NDC aben wa sabe na e bi kwa enwo mo. It's true. No businessman to man appointment. I was about God here. Yeah. Not the moon. In that form. But I think this year, climate is a little bit considerable. Okay. Yeah, you call for one. No, I'm in farming. Yeah. Yeah, my pa. Sure. Sometimes
It just said, go down, cultivate what we eat.
Okay.
People say, oh, maybe in school, but yes, what should I? It's very, very interesting. And we thank the Almighty God for such a blessing upon us.
Sure.
Well, last minute, we call Joma House.
Yeah.
Yes, we call Joma F. For the first time, you see a crate of tomatoes.
Okay.
Our Volta region is about 300 cedis.
Volta.
Just in the recent past, now a crate of tomatoes. Then number what? Almost, I think, if not 6,000, 6,000, 8,000.
Okay.
Yes.
6,000. And that's about 300.
It's 300 cedis. I go, your friend said the MP for, what's the name? I go also.
Okay.
Was appealing to His Excellency the President said,
yeah,
me talk for tomatoes.
Yeah.
But I think the major problem in me was here, and he said, how do we manage such a situation?
Okay.
Said,
okay.
No, there must be. You see, there used to be. Was it under Ministry of Agriculture?
That warehouse.
Yeah, there was a food distribution corporation.
I think they were nice. No Ghana Commodity Exchange.
No, most of it.
Yeah, I'm the link the buyers to.
I'm not
the
talking
farmers.
about that kind of bureaucratic way of doing things. You see, food distribution corporation. No distribute.
Okay.
Won't link here go ahead. These are some of the problems we have in this country. Too bureaucratic.
Oh, but we see, but another issue is say.
Yeah.
Every exchange, some of the complaints now equiafoni be say. You have done the money in So in the wisdom of government, the young creative and enabling a business company be or no and the belling one na area in Yareno to omo eto. For example, say udria tomatoes. You say or companies are a tomato factory to Ghana. So come with me first belling mu amo asante achim north to this tomato factory. Say be a udria na esune ba. And you have na come market akopre atofo. They will link you to okay, and then you will say Agwesi am a request. So opebia 20 acres of tomatoes. It's what you have 10
The point is that when farmers cultivate, they are looking for the market.
Sure.
A direct market. There's no need for someone to link them.
But find the market is something difficult.
It is not about finding the market. Go and look at the functions of the Farm Food Distribution Corporation.
Okay.
They go to the farmers and buy directly.
Okay.
What I say? Who call linking? Who are you not linking your money?
Medasi. Honorable Member of Parliament.
Yes.
Nano Amoko Greek or I didn't see you.
I'm chair
It does.
Na mini agbesi I say prices of goods, food abafo. Actually, the Ghanaian Times, the most authoritative newspaper, Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. She said, "I'm media fee agbesi page 12."
Page 12. And Ghanaian Times.
My kind, young kind.
Oh, agbesi.
My kind of that.
Food prices swing in Accra markets.
Accra what?
Accra markets.
I am back with markets.
Oh, agbesi. What can we do?
You know, say the tomatoes. Tell me the go for
MPP. Volta region. There be who now can we meet Accra?
Okay.
It's my
who
main
kind.
Not to what's here. Food prices across major markets in Accra continue to fluctuate.
There be markets.
Oh,
what can we do?
What's the price about?
What's swallow esco?
There be.
Who they call?
Okay.
With some staples recording steep price hikes.
Okay.
Whilst others are experiencing sharp declines.
Okay.
In Agbogbloshie, one of the capital's busiest food hubs, prices of essentials such as tomatoes, onions, yam, and imported rice have seen steep rises in recent weeks. Now,
okay.
A box of tomatoes, which sold for 800 Ghana cedis in early August, now goes for between 1,200 and 1,500.
Accra market.
Pacho. What can it do? I am reading the report from the Ghanaian Times. While a bag of onions imported from Niger has jumped from 900 Ghana cedis to over 1,300.
So as of between August and September.
Me say where your Ghanaian Times
and the publication.
And you mean America. Me need to see voter region. Tomatoes are free 700, about 300. And is that?
Yeah. Now also 6,000.
To 10
to 300 cedis.
Okay.
That's a crate.
No problem. Some tomatoes here the voter region about Accra.
Okay.
In Accra, it has moved from 800 to 1,500
within a month.
And you America.
Where's your Ghanaian Times?
Ghanaian Times. So
whether it is Ghanaian climate or Ghanaian whichever paper it is, the point I'm making is say in you.
Okay. Some of me also what that.
I was go up how.
Oh,
okay. Last week I was there because I had lots of vegetables and things. Oh, what you and then because I have a lot of tomatoes currently in my fridge, my deep freezer, a lot. So
yeah.
Intino, maybe some I say Argentina voter on Fufu Sana way or see Papa no Jamie Comisano. Omo no de buy. Omo de buy na mo to swama ye. Omo they are aware.
Okay.
But because my minimum money cash omo de beto. Omo ba no mo dey have omo free omo.
Okay.
You understand me? So such factors can shoot the price up. Okay. But I'm happy. In terms of one kind of
okay.
Was it from August
to September?
There be not August.
Also August na be a 900. They say shoot it to 1,200.
August na dey. Na efu.
Yes.
Sisi dey. Apeja. Okay. Just August last year, you can Google. Okay. And see the price of a crate of a tomatoes.
Okay.
What do I say? Senyamia Shawa. Pasidamanu. We were in this country. I said we bought a crate of tomatoes for 6,000 to 8,000.
But I say, I'm the Western Regional Minister, Honorable Joseph Nelson, and country, and we're not coming here. Yeah, cast out of about Galamsey for yeah, Wako 2, a year in Suta Railway. I say, I must say, because actually part 12. Honorable Regional Minister, good morning.
Good morning.
Naboko, yeah.
Nyame hongobo mo he.
Yeah, that nyame ase. Here so far nipa 12 year achi omo no mo we.
Wo kokot ne.
Omo kokot ne. Ena ba bi omo kotutu ase no so omo ye Galamsey no. E ho so aye ho de se ye ka sei.
Eneda nyame nchaze mu koduro ono na e bi rekoda o hwede wo ba feel.
Okay.
Amuna we tutu na wama railway lines no baby or osensan hwa kwa baby or insi neda no wo yo hwedu.
Okay. First time I hear Galamsey was abia ono ana say ade ekoso dada.
Oh well mama de manyu akoko hunete no chere onye overnight aso.
Okay.
The wakodo ache and pay American report to be on the former minister for railways, Honorable Accra, occasion be overseen call and so area on no express a worry about Manoro Kodo. That should tell you that Oyada Wakodacha.
Opa, this is the first one ni akobo bibi saso.
Railway line when yes. Railway line when the dying first time I'm going baby or to them. But of course, last week you make an arrest and report to the chair there. Now we baby or to them. But I needed to know them to me no more the extent of damage. Now you never can offer.
Sir, idea nye enura ya na ye Galamsey. Police commanders, police officers here all no. Uno mudi nkomo a omo ya aware say sa Galamsey de koso sa bia ho.
It's very expected the mass may be the answer will not be a straight yes because Okay, doing more record. The next question will follow me obvious. The say me do record about the na found.
Yeah.
In most cases, okay, to do in the eba and cherry. Oh, the master made money, but Nina come forward. We give the more change in the or how or the yes or no, and that is what it is. It's the what do we do from hence? That's for me.
Okay.
Is the issue. Will be done 1 year. Well, you put me a come some.
Okay.
At the end of the day, we still have the issue staring us in the face. So what do we do?
So 9 months in office, the district chief executive officer or say or you're aware of this situation.
District chief executives were by 4 months.
Okay.
Say Ebekaya, by 4 months. Na a bona yeja to home work for years. Na MC, I'm not holding brief for the MC, but or the MCs, but we have to put the issue in proper context. The Bonono work for years near Baboto. Yes, me the route to one among last week Accra videos of FEMA on nam site or Juma. But on the yeja to home work children, it has become so widespread. Just one outing to solve another unresolved problem. Intina rail line when they wow because I quite when the higher baby and Crawford and a hatcher and Moya who mean the right in the town another than the Krona Kasa Kutsuma Mufuna or Achimuni when you hear the margin or record because I will come high to more record.
Okay. Minister, beyond enne, DNA here to ensure say Galamsey for any access to that place again.
Oye nzama baye bien. Okay. No fan le basa. One. Community now or rely on. You have a responsibility. One must BBR or Kodonya or the Wutumwama and paying for us what.
Okay.
2. Railway for Nankasana line near Wardiano. They also have a certain responsibility to protect it. And that Mukotu work Accra also as superintendent, Nejuma in the Oshe, the railway line of Bonibia and Koba. But now, in the work capacity to monitor the lines and so it's challenged. It's the Oma Wuntumana monitor. I'm sure that's why I would what the way you are sure. JBA, you saw another data on Pansan. Okay. And then finally, the police, the security service. Give the ones who are the WAP will give me the police if no woman chant. Now, smart making some catch on there. Yako changing patrol, ye clear sight, but already you to intensify your monitoring because. Oh yeah, most in the Galamsey, yes, one monitor when the operation that security funifa, watch a crack and back. Okay. And to watch a hana 2 days, 3 days, no son wide, poke back. This time, in a dynamic catch on the there, you activate a certain monitoring device, you to be a baby, a clear now, so that will be an son and cohon son could the Mujman. You can enough for the will be able to protect lines. And you can baby I hear when there was say it's possible the portions to be of the line from Takwa to Takra and also maybe and a BBA Kodokrana. On the railway for Nanka, so when you capacity to monitor the full line every time. A big partner will win. Today that no so much railways on there. A can be hard. One shredder will scan the full length of the lines near okay. BBI pepe. As a bonibisho kodo baby I near tuna. Yeah, so I think these things put together should help.
Yeah, I say. So honorable Joseph Nelson, the Western Regional Minister, and I'm just saying that you come on far and Galamsey for Koto share in Suta railway lines. So, or Takwansu, I am put them one. I said, no, Eddie, and Kwamenam or Emra, a bar, Yentua, Galamsey, and Commonis. Yeah, by it's the when you are be back to Adom TV, bedroom, Jubedi, and so. Now, because say, but on Sroma, basso. We are looking for the next instrument icon. So you can say what person di or hima adieno. Yes, we should be between the ages of 7 and 14. Or a year the atonium. Obetimi atonium. And obetimi atonium the ampacho instrument audition or start train Airlande Accra de Accra Plaza on 11th and 12th October.
So where PM.
Kumasen so a beshia True Vine Hotel. On 18th and 19th October. Accra, Ebeshia our Mikado Conference Center on the 25th and 26th. But what you would not be to me, Remudia, register, Nebra, Nebe show, also talent. Yeah, over. Adom TV, see a war. As you way.
I was say we catch you say, over here LPM. When we see,
I guess the money can
Ghanaian time.
According to Miss Abigail Frimpong, a tomato seller of 10 years, they were struggling due to the lack of consistency in the prices of tomatoes. We are struggling because consumers are complaining every day. When prices rise, people buy less, and sometimes the goods spoil before I can sell it. Now, say one consumer, Mrs. Judith Shankwasi, a mother of 4. Said the same money she spent 2 months ago now buys less than half of her family needs. This is the situation on the ground.
Okay.
You can't say tomatoes.
What's it, Mrs. Jane?
Mrs. Shine, Kwasi.
Thank you.
The
mother of 4, yes, sir.
Yes.
See me back. Me, Agbesinuchu. Okay. A father of 4. Me call June. Me call Bubushi. Me call Kadiye. Me say, me cooperate.
Okay.
One of my youth activists, Kwame Kanchen and say, a friend of Wilberforce.
Okay.
On of that environment, on Pekka, non for 2 crate more embreme. Then for Minyonko.
From Petoy.
Petoy.
Okay.
Yeah, honorable member for Agogo.
Yeah, Agogo, yeah.
Yes. President Mama said, a crate is even going for 500 Ghana cedis. President Mama directly said, buffer stock for Mko Thomas for. Me bona. Yeah. Me and Miss Sumia consume my friend Agbesinu to Mikwago. Father of 4. Me bisa ma say I didn't am ko talk peto because no F4 ho. And I catch me bisa papa no I driver na the buy.
No dey man buy.
Buy say I didn't am omudi man mo at that high price.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Okay.
So at the end of the day, the market price determination is being done by either the end seller, okay, or the link person who I call the retailer.
The one between farmers and only.
That time because hand linkage so we are call link baby. Me say who last 2 years now Ghanaian times now more price here.
Ghanaian times one price way.
And price a little paper. Na.
Oh, they say Ghanaian times.
Me say last 2 years. Anyway.
Oh, some person who number.
No. They have also increased their price.
Okay.
What I say, who saw on school fees here?
I think who can be.
And then one school fees. I am saying no. You said no a quick one. Every time you say we time so. With the quick one. Last year,
yeah,
a crate of tomatoes. You see, I don't speak just like that.
Okay.
A crate of tomatoes, one crate. Now call between our hand 6,000 to 8,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, I go bullshit. Call anybody.
That's not true.
Oh, but I go there.
That's not true.
You said this is why she be a mother of 4. Miss me, I go see a father of 4. Maybe call Jom. I know I go. She can't afford it. She meaning maybe I don't friends cabbage.
Yeah.
Meaning I don't pineapple.
Okay.
And I was I know all the angles. I used to go there. I used to go there with my wife. Now she have taught me how to buy, and I know how to buy. Okay. And at the end of the day, when I'm not comfortable, I ask more questions. Who go? Me na me go. And I'll see this is question mother of 4. This is I go to father of 4.
I did back come here.
Yes.
Me ye coastal.
We are coastal.
Yes.
No mind.
Oh, Medina market.
Okay.
any man looks as if say a free outside the country eba no dollar shall say eba form no nebu aba form by a local produce nebu that was.
You see, it has not been only in terms of items we consume. Most of the things we produce here, no, yes. Form.
That is.
I would not speak to that, but because you see, now say me too quiet. Now, uko nyoma omuton ho. I want the same thing. Rep hano.
Yeah.
A cheaper ho.
I had it. Yeah.
You always want to make huge profit. It's not bobloshi. My minister me say, "Maybe sa papa no ojina hon."
No, didn't man buy.
Oh, you know, if you put to buy. Say that na 800 or overdo omo on that price. Because at the end of the day, no, or the mama means on ton, also the profit better so. Yes, sir. If the me the final consumer, no, I have to bear the burden. But it is good. You see, 6,000 and 1,006, I will go for 1,006. Because just last year, the same time. No, but the point is that you don't go to the market. Me not because you and you say you are challenging. And
as for MVP, last year,
the same
tomatoes,
say 6,000 to 8,000
at a voter region.
Agbogbosi.
Okay.
Agbogbosi.
That's not great.
A great. You can place a call right now. Me call to now say. I just want to ask for the price, but I just bought a handful.
Okay.
1,002, but and almost 1,006. It depends on where you buy it. But on authority, I'm telling you, sir, last at the same time last year it was 6,000 to 8,000 Ghana
cedis of tomatoes.
Exactly so.
6,000
Exactly
Ghana
so said by me. Because I have been a witness. It's not theory, practical. They are all kind of theory.
Oh, na wonyi ma me.
Me see there be the honorable can theory. The one chairman America. There be so who can I don't who to know. Who can me na make give me this capital go to. So I understand the scenario more than you. I was saying what you say because as a kid that we simplify our lives. We got jump for that. We thought Simon, we thought friends tuna, we thought baby. Who did a who talk? And the chairman say what am. You supermarket. Yes, don't call any association person. Association person, the fact is near about
one friend.
For Omo to and no. Who be number? Me number. Me that's why you see the point I'm making is that Ghana have been blessed under the able leadership of President Dramani Mahama. He's shown a talk getting back. I agree. Say monetary wise no.
Okay.
Currently, maybe an answer. No, that's a president should have. Maybe I could come in the papa that say because I dare be 2 years. Na a bon kan. After that, you didn't sue. I couldn't have 2 years. No, bon kan. After that, you pension. Gather serious funds you. I did proper quite. It's after that sentinel.
Economy na na for the job.
Oh, na go. Ba nya be pay job. Kwasi. Yes. Ukasa ya hwedu you. Woni kukuru fort na sia. Eh hwe wachi.
Okay.
Hwe woni fa na hwe obenkum. Wachi de onu akasa otimi hu na chi. Odi ase. Ba nya be ka che me ne wo se. Yen fa omo bo na yen che bo ni me.
Okay.
Not osment. And out of block.
Okay.
What's in your man call ye? And I got your chedaku. The federal prime minister. You go free yes a walk of patron again. Yeah, to go go back. Missy economy be 2 years no. And that form. You know, nurses have not been paid, contractors have not been paid, society struggle to survive.
It's a mechanic system no.
Yes, it's after that yeah press can no. I feel the sense no. Baby until I agree. What I say? Now go turn your man of the profit to be baby at the end of the day long go to not be blame why. What you say? But me see your patron. Mo fan che.
But that's it.
Yes. And now I say just me we you. Okay, meet you.
Yeah, bahano pay. Okay. And I will say your preliminary comments. Your initial preliminary comment say tomato prices have gone down.
As a food stuff.
Oh, you use tomato as an example.
Me boss you play back
and now say
play back.
Oh, I What else is tomatoes? But 300 Ghana cedis.
I moved from 6,000.
You talk about tomatoes.
I spoke also about salmon and tuna.
Oh, Agbesi.
Meet you.
Let me know more here.
Ghana nation.
At the time now, Kasano, na Ghanaian times at the winning.
Okay.
And we be food prices swing in Accra markets.
Okay.
And I'm say for paper ne mame.
Debbie. Now me kuta paper ni my kind dada.
Who worry the paper?
My reading paper.
Now reading paper when who say
man who send your money here? It may change.
You get what I feel about me and I'm Pacho. Don't go there. Open say have an argument about Baumia. I am ready any day, any time.
Let's do it now.
Anytime.
No, yes, now. Now is the time.
I don't have any problem.
Now is the time. So
I am ready any day, any time.
Now.
But college, what the bad economy job, I must can system.
The cool crash or say, I feel near the Ghana water is soon. A bit pra, a bit pro. Ghana water, the stability level 1,000 something.
We went on this a draft.
See, the Mojai,
Agbesi, oh, Kasa,
meet you.
What can we do here?
What's
the Ghana water, never paper economy? What are they?
No, only a draft on this one.
What are they? The decriminalization.
When we say one episode, normally a draft on
this. Galamsey, what are now the
we said the economy
economy is growing at which rate? Atu Force was in parliament at 5%. In 2017, they left it at 3%. What are you talking about? Why are you having a debate on the economy, even with all our challenges with COVID? Now, Nadu left the economy growing at 5%. They left it at 3% GDP. What are you talking about? Ready. Me, I'm always ready for this kind of debate. Now, if you can say tomatoes, the papers is disproving what you are saying here. Also, for Baumia, you've changed the tomato discussion now to Baumia and say Baumia Pachao. You say you have failed in your argument. You have just failed in your argument. You were just trying to hoodwink Ghanaians with some hoodoo economics. Saying that tomatoes now sell at 300 Ghana cedis. When the Ghanaian Times is telling you that it is selling at 1,500.
At where?
What are you talking about?
At where?
At where? Okay. When I would say at 300.
Yes.
It's here Accra, Nyanko Kote and Kotomra.
Now, question for me, Ghana for.
Oh, the mean Kasa Ghana for.
Of course,
I've never said so. I've never said so.
Can you?
I've never said so. Read me come market to Agbogblosi. No. Agbogblosi is selling at 1,500. It's selling at 1,500. You are saying 300. The papers have just told you what you are saying is not true.
I have told you.
But I'm telling you, sir. I'm telling you, sir.
I told you, sir. When you hear before the next year, we are late. Messi, Petwe.
Agbesi, me are late.
Okay, let me use that.
I am very, very alert.
Almost say 500.
I am alert.
Transportation, they back a price of motion. Which I agree with you on that one. But
also you agree, sir, 1,500.
Of course, yes.
Oh, you agree?
No, but I do. I did that earlier on. You did because not. The trader was telling me,
you did not.
Maybe some papa now didn't
you did not.
You understand me?
It is 5,500.
No, me say last year, the same time. Now it's 6,000.
See, as Madame Judith,
the mother of four.
See, Madame Judith signed. I'm giving you as reported by the Ghanaian Times of today. Madam Kwasi says, he cannot order Tony just last month. Now he cannot even buy half. This is from Madam Kwasi. That is the reality at Agbogblosi. That's a fact. So if you agree, say 1,500, where's the argument now?
No, but you see, where's
the argument?
You see, I'm highly this second, few seconds ago, disappointed the member of parliament. Is that the way he argued in parliament?
I don't have a problem. If you disappointed me.
No, Mimi say.
I don't need you to appreciate my argument.
The farmers are saying
that
they are selling to the consumers at 300 per crate.
What farmers?
Our petrol agogo they are 500. We also the video. Yeah. You understand me?
Okay.
But when I went to the market at Agbogblosi, now because let me say I'm creating here, and also 1,000, 2,005.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Okay.
There have been some. There have been value added.
Okay.
from the cultivator,
from the farm
to the market.
Okay.
There was some value added to in terms of transportation.
Okay.
You understand my point? Okay. Now, me can say 1,000, 2,500 is acceptable as at now. But compared to the same time, the same period last year, they're between 6,000 to 8,000. So I will go for the 1,006 even if that's the issue. If you other form as 1,006 against 6,000, call anybody who goes to the market and find out the price of tomatoes the same time last year. He's dodging the issue.
Madam Judith,
based on that kind of price increment, it's not about me. I catch the whole world say almost share.
Okay, team, Mama, your production team now, you may be
yes
at the background.
Yes.
Very soon, remember the current and prevailing price of tomatoes at the agriculture market.
Yes. As also compared to the same period last year. That's the point.
I'm not paying a team in some.
David, no, don't do that. We want to know the same quantity, the same price within the same period last year. Yes. Let's compare and contrast. Don't dodge it. It's very important.
A price from agriculture market.
Now, once you are doing the agriculture issue,
okay.
It's broke about the water.
I'll pay box and say catch them agriculture market. Box near 2,200 Ghana cedis.
Oh, you are?
That is basket no, 500 between 500 to 800 Ghana cedis. Depending on where out no. But box no, 2,200 cedis from
last year. Last year,
it's by more last year. The same. There was August September. August September.
Now
2024.
the one who you call or who spoke behind.
Okay.
You and I, we saw the video.
Okay.
From
Asante.
Let's use that one. Not a box or somewhere here.
No, say around 500 to.
There was no 502. Be realistic. There was not like 502. He was so explicit. Said 500. No, get the story right. Get the story right. Don't mislead your people, please. Respectfully. Who shared video? It was the member of parliament for the environment who told you and I. It was our video to say. A crate was explicitly going for 500 Ghana cedis. One got to be a. And see, 500 Ghana
pay price this and pay this.
And the pay box near 2,200 Ghana.
So it has even moved from the 1,800 and be reported by the Ghanaian to 2,200.
That is 500
on the ground.
Okay.
Mami can't be sure.
Okay.
Let me just.
But see, I think we need to look. The farm gate and the market.
Yeah.
A common bit me for so be delay with that in 51 on price now e make on. Now if a move from Agogo at 500 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Never be drew Accra Agogoloshi. Never 2,200 Ghana cedis. Then we need to question. Dear factors na akomuntia ama price a shooting more than 100%. I think that is where, as our mind, or saying any echo, at least
more than 400%.
So therefore, when your master maker says,
sure,
we have been blessed.
Yeah.
Say they have been bumper harvest. But the point again is that the intermediary,
okay,
the value that was added from the production to the consumer.
Okay. It has what all else.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly, we have been blessed with rain and having humble harvest.
But so far, I think that you're blessed with rain, and we need to find out. A quite a bit to me for so a saving more.
I agree with you.
For the day, I ensure and talk. Say,
but this argument you're making does not take away the point. Said the box of tomato asset now is 2,200. That is the point.
Okay. It is he might not understand the scenario. I as a farmer.
Okay.
Tomatoes, what the 10 billion harvested tomatoes. You understand me? So at the end of the day, maybe they are now replanting.
Okay.
So the price automatically will do what?
Because
but my point is that the same time last year, within the same value. What was the value? The same last year. As at last year.
Okay.
My point is that I'm comparing like 2024 to 2025.
Okay. The same month.
The same month.
With the same quantity
of product. Period of time.
Okay.
From August to October.
Okay.
Check the price. Okay, if all being equal, the next time of my visit,
okay,
I will make a record of the sellers and I'll come and play it here.
Okay.
And the day I'll get that record, I will inform the producer for you to inform Honorable to come on this show and we exhibit it.
I'm always ready.
But I say
I'm always ready.
Okay.
Me just say by that time,
me say,
me start with tomato food.
Aba for tomorrow, no.
Okay.
Get the mercy. Sanshano and I was so. I've agreed. Koto see there.
Skinny was
no. Koto see there. But it's better than last year.
Yes.
No. But the fact is that Sisiano and your papa.
Skinny was
say, but it's better.
Sikakure ni wano.
Maybe last year then you are.
Last year this skinny.
Because last year the dollar was going for 18 Ghana cedis.
But
oh, by your mathematics.
But I'm just going to so ko dwemu a ebi so no mo kan say yes no kore and the name bo aba form but you need sika dey as compared to last year na name bo dey but ne o sika dey eto so the purchasing power no and aba be challenge
so what dey atum say ne sika ni ho dey atum
last year na sika wo
Let's go.
But then my no actually up.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, what kind of economics is that?
And this no number from the skin.
It's not true. It's not true. One thing Ghana for soon last year. Say Kuma Edin. One thing now when I was
say my boy Edin.
You see not Kuma Edin. And then I was there.
My boy Edin. Say Kuma Edin because na my boy Edin.
A Kuma Edin.
Na my boy Edin.
It's the combination of not having it and not be able to afford it.
And today number 2. Last year, not Sikani. None of my boss was okay.
Back Accra. Back Accra.
Okay.
By stabilizing it. But no one's no Abba. Because you see, for the first time, you saw entrepreneurs. My baby catcher and say, because of the dollar decline, almost so much you must be one.
Sure.
One thing. Yeah. I'm on motor condition. I'm on motor TV.
Yeah.
Who got there was a discount. Do you understand me? So at the end of the day, there is a big relief.
Okay.
Unlike last year, let me see about me the pie. I wonder how much I con. Nyaminti, you know, just Funtino. Like I want to hear one by the Jesse. It's better than a force about Mutumayano. I have a pack.
Okay.
Yeah, we are not going to let them down. But we are going to deliver. We need their praise and their support. We're born. Yaka Mona say, oh, and Koi. 1 million of it, sir. By the grace of God, everything will be okay.
I was
sure. Me put in Ghanaians or no or Mrs. Kwashi be on phone. Meanwhile, we won't come market.
The state people.
Yeah.
It's a state.
But the one who wrote the story is a woman be like me because that they want shame or Adom.
And the reporter.
No. The reporter that went to town. The reporter that went to the market.
You are doubting the integrity of the reporter.
You see, I'm not doubting him.
Okay, so there.
It was done at a random.
How?
Because that don't go home. Why interview?
Say okay there. Ghanaian can say what that. By
the time on because my mode of operation the market don't me.
Okay, so hey, omo your story so also. Elizabeth Posu.
And yes, sorry, you say I go go see.
So next time I come from yeah.
Oba mu ton bare no on zone.
Yeah.
On be o.
Sure.
Pa no won.
Yeah.
Enti when e bia kwagina person from ho anu ho. Interview. I am telling you as it is. At a random. I go show unu be am don watermelon. Watermelon base unu mo. Thank you. So, see, I know that terrain by the kind courtesy of my wife.
Okay.
What I say? Meaning,
I was good at it.
See, I'm not make I hand over, but I'm not make
okay, but
I'm good at it. But the point again is that, to the glory of Almighty God, a chrono, I mean, Sentinel, a RGB.
But I say, Collins, Galamsey. President meeting with civil society organizations.
Yes, so
Nsuta Tapansoyem Galamsey.
Me Galamsey Assembly. The last time.
So what's your regional minister?
The last time, I catch you say, His Excellency the President, we have a very good opportunity. I will share the CSOs now, and I'll share media for now.
Okay. I
thought say the Senko can say Ghana for the situation as I thought no, and yes, I say Mama America Accra. I'll try as much as possible to get a solution. What can I say Ghana for you now? Be ma.
See, I will not accept no. Can
why? See, I felt say Ghana for
you felt.
That is my view.
We are no.
Allow me to speak.
Respectfully, go on.
Allow me to speak. Nanka, everybody.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Marshals everybody. Nanka.
Okay.
Truth of the matter is that the Galamsey is Siano. It's quite serious. Minyanka, young politicians, Nanka sa kasa bebre no, kayen tone it down.
Okay.
Nienya the technical people. And solve the problem. Because the more the politicians speak, now you blame me. I don't think say you have a solution to the problem. In all honesty, the posturing and the rhetoric of the NDC, it was as if some mobile indeed 1 month to cry, they will solve the problem. It was clear. Your cabinet ministers say who told us so within 10 days, if the president is serious and will solve the problem. There were 9 months. We have some cabinet ministers even calling for state of emergency. They sit in cabinet today with the president. Top positions. Mr. Harry Namian, fellow Vanda, also state of emergency, state of emergency. The current lands minister told Nana Akufo-Addo, oh, you're in state of emergency. We were told that Nana Akufo-Addo, if you chebi, you're 200 mama. Galamsey, I want Nana Akufo-Addo, it's true. And then we are getting reports say Galamsey calls for Bole. So if you're twice near the politics, yes, I am here, will not get to the bottom of it. And then president say, or chairman, National Security Council.
Yeah, National Security.
National Security for
advising.
Who are the members of National Security?
Yeah, the security couples.
Who are the members? Maybe one National
Security Council. You mean the council?
Yes.
No, the council comprises of Agric, Finance, NADMO, Interior, NADMO for the Interior.
Defense.
Yeah, that is the composition.
Yeah. Are they all not appointees of the president?
You want to be the appointee of Nanado?
That's my main thing. I see, as we want to watch, oh my God, this way, they are MYA. I'm saying the president is on the clear state of emergency. Also, Debbie, or chairman, the council not advising. And I'm just say, who are the members of the council?
No, he said members of what? Council of States.
No.
Or National Security.
Also, Debbie, I see you went. I see.
Also,
or
National Security.
National Security Council to advise him.
Yeah.
It's in the the Securities and Intelligence Act.
Okay.
Members of the security, but the National Security Council established by Article 83.
I've given the composition.
Of the Constitution consists of the President, the Vice President, the ministers holding the portfolios of Foreign Affairs, Defense, Interior, and Finance, and such other ministers as the President may determine. The Chief of Defense Staff of the Ghana Armed Forces, Inspector General, Director General of Prisons, External Intelligence, Internal Intelligence, all these people are appointed by the President. In fact, the Kumukran say, members of this National Security Council include the Foreign Affairs Minister, who told us, say, you have state of emergency. So then the president trained you. It is just a way of buying time. But if the president tells me, so chairman, Sanko Fowe, advice, no, say, state of emergency, and say, or more appoint you, or more appoint you, who some few months ago were saying, say, Akufo-Addo is the worst, and then declare state of emergency. No. That's a problem. Who besides say energy committee?
Yeah.
You call rounds. That's how you do gridco.
But so what gridco?
You call gridco.
Oh, on the time you have a book clip on
you call gridco.
Okay.
When we got to gridco, pylons no more the man. The seriousness is that ometu a form number the pylons now is equal.
And what TV no.
Pylons now evacuate the energy near the back. Ufie ma unya power no. Hwe de Galamsey vai. Oma degia akose pylons nechi. When you agree with 4 lines, agree with 4 the so why is so sing.
Yeah.
In ketwa na here the man. You need a very solid pylons. They say solid. Into more soil testing now. And some they see, they don't just put it there.
Okay.
Omo hear calculations, air soil testing to be sure say it can accommodate it.
Yeah.
And now me know can say grid cost, Papa, the deputy manager.
We have been forced to rush to reinforce some of our towers due to Galamsey activities.
So they have to go, no matter they no matter reinforce it. Also, the who can say, omo engineers ne kono mo kwa edwuma. Galamsey for no feel say they are part of the task force. No more chase you with guns. But these are critical engineers. Omo ba reinforce it, even the pylons, say the beya power. It is going beyond a certain and yet the normal political. Say you do baby any meet say kwa the use nko say power is going to be affected if you are not careful. You ko bui you do bui no along the river banks. And you know say bui banda.
Yeah.
I share you with bole. Ko share the Galamsey for ayama bui nsuo no. The color is even changing. When it changes more a whole recycling plant be over because one share na say a morning man echo into the turbines it mean my turbines in your problem. And it is the speed of the water and the 10 turbines no. Do one share no way when clean water na this speed ne kono. Now konya enoma bi ewere mu a we share say bui so enya problem. And bui is a 400 megawatt thermal plant. It's no baby I didn't draw no. Media as a citizen I will be prepared to assist the government. But Mr. Government also, omo rhetoric no, enye sober.
Okay.
Na omo nyai say, and away say we yes because you told us. Me time see my videos be fellas kwajo for. Also, I could for in power. He's in charge of the security. You're 15,000 military men. You're almost 40,000 policemen. He has the power to command. I'm sure His Excellency has the power now.
Really?
He has the power now. It's no yema. And common and very more nationalistic because you can't say MPP ni NDC. I tell you in someone you know kind before the election you may not solve the problem.
Okay. Kwesi, at one point honorable Osimhen politics.
Yeah.
At another point on equalization. Or say a cost or chibi and as you see an idea or bolly yes sir or can't boll so I say no problem. Only papa be a friend of Matiaisi.
Martin Aisi.
Yes.
The former CEO of Minerals Commission.
Fantastic.
Okay.
In the past. Either here as empower or joy Mumbako. No, because say police station Nichi.
Yeah.
Crampon, Galamsey.
Yeah.
Now, honorable, now a member of parliament.
Yes, I've been
and a minister.
Yes, a deputy minister.
At that time.
Yes. And I spoke against it.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Yes.
We think one say any way. Tie, this Galamsey issue, you know my stand already.
Yeah.
The task force are too jovial with the so-called illegal miners.
The task force.
Yes, jovial. Yeah. You see, when you go to some environments within the group, the law is the law and the law.
Yeah.
Now one railway line. But maybe so, until such a thing and taking place within a period of an hour or 2 or 4. Until there will be anyone now. Don't the railway line authority have monitoring teams?
So the minister can see the power of
Are Ghanaians not ready to work? You see, when you were questioning my regional minister, not person me being, but I took it lightly. Are Ghanaians not ready to work?
Even the DC, who can DC na some.
So if you have only one person, employ more. Many, some few days, months ago, were calling for what? State of emergency.
Yeah.
Now, who declares state of emergency? Where? What next? It all boils back to the enforcement. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sebimi ye NDC ni. My breath. My me party about power. Won't it be so, excuse my language, so stupid on my part to go involve myself in illegal activities?
Maybe looking at the
don't look at anything. I just asked a direct question.
No.
The current gold price. You see, don't look at infrastructure. Look at the embarrassment that you'll be bringing to your government as a toiling to bring it
This
to
is a
power.
citizen speaking of.
So if you are a military man or a police officer sent on such an operation, order have been given to you. Just do accordingly.
How is it?
Tie, people catch share unim and robbers.
Where facture me pa wa TV near that so the current gold price. And I don't pay every year.
I can see the current gold price. Obu got on good.
Wow.
We say one share not pay no current gold price. Obu got on good. Leave that one for gold board.
No, he's trying to just oppose the incentive. Why?
The NTM
catch you saying and show side here. Of course, yes. You are boasting your morale. Una wuti umunim.
Hey, me educate you mbiem.
Our price. Tie. Say, sa panels are working.
Yeah.
Since when did that start? And what was done about it?
Okay.
I think say look, me bought honorable Kofi Boa Abaso. It was so timing to bring him there as the Minister for Lands and Forestry.
Lands and Natural Resource Minister.
Yes. Forest and can't be one. And natural resources, okay. Yeah. Those days used to be lands and forestry. At the end of the day, the water bodies, Esisaba. Of course.
And Kofi Boa.
Yes, Esisaba.
Okay.
Unless you refuse to see.
Okay. Because so bet me aboy some of the water bodies na. So be amanfo be hu say ne ye ka no. Enye say be kan ano fa keke.
Meaning say couple of minutes to ago or to yet to be no. We catch as my documentary be yes sir. Na ni pego multimedia. We say there's a documentary. Say there's documentary coming soon.
Joy FM documentary
coming soon.
Yes.
No.
Dear Mahama.
Oh my Mr. Mahama.
Hashtag Galamsey must stop.
Nipa no di campaign wadi Galamsey buy Akufo-Addo. Man can say dear Akufo-Addo.
Okay,
no, let me talk. Only the man can say dear Akufo-Addo.
I don't know Mahama.
Don't pretend you want to divert the issue. Don't pretend you want to divert the issue.
Akufo-Addo picture the body.
Don't divert the issue.
I know that.
Martin, you see, make a chair say police station the chief quite to Galamsey no. Man throw dear Akufo-Addo. Man trust a dear.
There are so many things they did. They said dear Akufo-Addo.
No, man trust dear Akufo-Addo. They have diabolic way of attacking the president.
This is not diabolic.
No,
I'm not diabolic. I'm attacking joint for taking over the president.
Okay.
You see, the kind of governance system now you run the way a executive kind of governance system.
We all know that.
Everything stops at the president.
We all know that.
If you catch him see a Galamsey as well, you team confer regional minister team to so. Certain is going to be the president, who is the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces.
Who the encoso? CSOs.
Yeah.
Weeks, months ago.
Yeah.
Omusha president, so no more born about.
One neighbor about. Agbesi.
Oba mo kasa no wan. Kali bishop no wanti. Wanti ni kasa.
Agbesi one neighbor about.
Wanti ni kasa.
Those who spoke against the government, your communicators are attacking the
president.
Can I speak?
Who spoke against?
Can I speak?
No.
Sandogbe is attacking him.
It's not true.
Oh please, what's that?
Sand did not attack.
Should I maybe extra one now?
What did you What did you must have here the baby?
I was like,
see, now the dama. Into okay. This fight is fair. There was a time ago. We Votarians stood up, said no one dared to come to voter or to do this kind of business. Because the traditional authorities had one voice.
Okay.
You dare not.
Yeah.
So if our chiefs and queen mothers will speak to this, okay, it will help. Because idea a taking place a yankophobic assassin so and if one of mukuta assassin and the one they say no, it should be no.
Okay.
We a party niba Na ana ohima catch you say Sadia Empire. Who dare you?
But sometimes
the
political power overrides
sometimes
the authority of a human.
No. I totally disagree.
So you didn't walk on.
I totally disagree.
A call from above.
Which above?
No, the tell free word. Oh, he didn't buy it.
But I am waiting. So that call from above. But then I'm assuming yes, I call from above. And you said it's not only in Galamsey. Not only in Galamsey.
Yeah.
I have really worked at places.
Sure. Yeah.
I've worked at the highest office before. I've worked at national security before.
Yeah.
We have taken actions, drastic actions before. One had that so-called power for a call from above and by me change that. And I'm there, me use the phone. And I'm using pager. I don't get it. You who be calling me from above, make a choice for you to calm down. And if you don't want to take my word, say a small war, I will just resign. Case closed. You see, let the people know, say, we have a country called Ghana.
Yeah.
You understand me? Sure. Now, we have no place to go. The President John Dramani Mahama will applaud such a person. Not like in the past. And then you will be called a friend saying, court. Abujina, that's why I have some respect for him there. Was it on Yama a friend saying, want to me permit be as uncle mine of forestry, one casa. So kind. But I could find the car chair, yes, sir. Gina, sorry, want to be any tree. I could find it's gone. Want to be facing it now. That is how we should live. Who said,
last one.
20 seconds. You baby. Now so we are
okay.
Think about tomorrow.
Okay.
Today you might be so powerful, but tomorrow you must be powerless. And you will be powerless too.
Okay.
Into no ye, but mesre. Or more operation teams mono.
Okay.
Party need be bad. Expose the person.
Okay.
Let us name and shame. Enough is enough.
Seems I feel now 20 years so watching the report on Joseph Yamini Abanga.
That is why I'm coming to. That is why I'm coming to. When there is selectiveness in the justice system.
Yeah. Years ago, I could follow say to me and
okay.
Me tie AG and that's not knowing the dockets have already been prepared down.
For one to me.
For one to me.
Yes.
I could follow no on
take your time. They count there.
Make now want to me on the yes sir.
Yeah.
And then where are they?
Okay.
Want to me is facing it alone.
But that's
it. Who here be there?
Okay.
You might be powerful today.
The state is going to protect you.
Tomorrow,
you protect you.
The state is not yours.
Okay.
Thank you.
You see, who can Joseph Yamini report
a few minutes.
Who count few minutes? I did to Bosu Babedido. Who got Joseph Yamini? Can
to me is going to court today.
Yes.
They say we are using the legal process.
That is NDC.
Oh,
not you.
That is the right thing to do.
Okay.
Which people refuse to do. They refuse to do it.
They say no. He has his day in court.
Okay.
That's the most important thing. And also when Galamsey, it's an opportunity for him on such a beautiful platform. No, I can't do. No, we are Canadian. We are the said it to no. Me sure the judges will put it there. If he's wrong, he's wrong. The law will take its course. If he's right, he'll be freed. It's as simple as that.
But why didn't you do this in the past?
What is worrying is say, can Ashibe ask the Attorney General, say, why are you focused only on one to me? Because there are others from your own political party who you refer to Yoku on report way. It's been 2 months, 3 months. What's ready? One to this docket is ready, but that of the NDC campaigns is not ready.
When was this docket ready?
Who can we really do so? I won't be saying that.
I said, okay, just say Bemu.
And what can I find power?
He said,
and some cash and then the first time on the issue of Galamsey, say, even your communicators. So more kasa say, I'm telling you, can be a headway.
Na sana ye kaso
Who the uncle for the Omoba, almost see Debbie. It's not in our manifesto. And look at
the clear state of emergency.
It's not our manifesto. But the people who said it are members of the National Council who are going to advise the president. What kind of gross?
Which council?
The National Security Council. The Foreign Affairs Minister, who is a member of the council, is now going to advise the president.
No.
He told us in a state of emergency.
No.
Okay. But to be a Kasa say, wrong is wrong. We a party back. No be friend say from a beaver. Cat said the one beaver and say Omrada.
No, that's the sense of you see, as citizens of this nation, I find a taxation issue very serious.
Taxes.
Yeah, taxes.
Okay.
May bought GRA for Abasupa. I never knew, say, who could clear your man.
Yeah.
It takes you less than 3 hours in terms of documentation, customs.
Okay.
But you might be high yellow, anytime you might delay.
Okay.
You see, who did you be back to say, who did you bar? You must seek federal clearance from where? Through the drug board. Among other things. Why, yet, me.
Eti bela wo nyama se ma shi pedifoi happy birthday. Happy birthday ko fama Reverend Dr. Romeo Japan. Yeah, or a medical doctor wo 37 military hospital and also so yeah Trinity Baptist Church. Reverend Dr. Romeo Japan of Trinity Baptist Church and 37 military hospital and wa woda. Yeah, we show all the best. Nyame enshira na onyo kese ko yise obeye kese pa be firano mu a me ba 37 we know what time it is. So on behalf of Trinity Baptist Church and 37 military hospital a doctor for the mo for you say we show all the best nyakopo nshira enko effort. Also happy birthday comfort Dr. Mahmoud Bawi me di akwati sia Accra me ko me da se